Ceci? What are you doing here?
But you said...
Said what?
You said you won't sack me.
When did I say that?
Last night.
Follow me. Please excuse us.
Ceci. Last night.
Oh, shut up.
When did I say you can come back here to work?
Last night, when you came to pick me in the house, you said, if I come with you, you won't sack me.
What I said was that I wouldn't fire you if you went along with me.
Ah, but it's the same thing.
Well, it's not right for you to come to the site in this condition.
But it will take long.
Long for what?
The wound to get better.
So?
How will I eat? I won't get any money.
Fine. Look, how much do you receive per day? Look, I think this will do for a while. If not, ask the manager for money and make sure you go to the clinic to clean that wound. Take it.
No.
Why?
I'm not a beggar. I work for what I have.
Okay, fine. So take this as an advance payment.
I'll spend it. And when I start working, I won't be paid because I've already collected pay.
Just take the damn money.
Why do you want to help me?
Because I can't leave here knowing that you go back to that shithole.
It's none of your business and you're not responsible for me.
Okay, where's your family? Why are you still sleeping in that building?
Forget about my family.
I swear to you, if you walk away from me, I'll fire you and you'll never set foot here again. Tell me.
I can't go back home.
Okay, look, just go back to the hotel, take a shower and just relax. Now, you don't have a say in this one. Remember what happens when you talk back at your boss.
You sack me?
Yes. Okay, the driver is ready to take you home. So come along.
So you got her cheating with an older man.
This story keeps rocking me back and forth.
No, don't be quick to judge Marjorie. You'll be surprised what women do for love.
So she was taking money from the other man to support Firstus?
Yes. We had promised to stay away from each other until they broke apart. But he couldn't break up with her because it was so difficult and he felt indebted to her. Then he found out about their affair.
And that was it for him?
Yes, finally. He asked me to marry him. And I said yes. That was the most exciting moment of my life.
I know that feeling.
I'm sure you do.
And she came home with a baby?
Yes.
Joshua told me.
Wow. Came home with a pregnancy. And Festus doubted the paternity, obviously, considering what he knew about her. I told him to hold off the wedding until we know what was happening in his life. Then Marjorie had Joshua.
And Festus was indeed the father.
Yes, he was. And I couldn't bring myself to break up their marriage, a family.
But they weren't even a family yet.
But people talk. And I thought I was doing the right thing. So I called off the wedding. Festus didn't want to agree at first. But Marjorie, oh Marjorie, she was so relentless. She wouldn't let me be. She was like a cancer in my life. So finally I have to tell Festus to leave me alone. Not call me again. Then I concentrated on my books and my education.
And see where that got you to.
Yes. See where it got me indeed.
I'm so proud of you, Mommy.
And I'm proud of you, my darling.
Okay, so tell me, did you ever love Dad?
Yes. Although not as much as I would have loved to. But yes, absolutely.
So everything Marjorie was talking about that day about their marriage and about how intimate they were.
I'm sure she just wanted you to pass on that information to me.
It's all been a lie?
It may or it may not be. But let this be a lesson to you. That people will parrot falsehoods for social glory. Let it not get to you. But live your life the way you want to live it.
Yes, Mommy.
So that's the end of the story.
What a story.
Anything else?
Mike, I got a job.
Where?
At your friend's hospital. Isn't that great? See, they put me at records. Isn't that great?
Yes, it is.
Michael. Michael. Hey. See, I promise I'm going to make more time for SCC. I'm just going to be running shifts like everyone else. I might miss few classes, but hey, we are going to be seeing more of each other. I promise. Okay? At least give a smile.
I miss my friend's smile.
You're so funny. You know that. Mike.
Hello, Mom.
Mom? I like the sound of it.
Me too.
Anyway, darling, today is quite an open one for me. What do you say we go and look at some venues for your wedding? I have some lovely ones in mind.
I know, it's just that I'm at the office now. I have a few things to clear up.
3 months is not so far away. We need to get ahead of this.
I know, it's just that I'm at the office now. I just have a few things to clear up.
On the weekend?
Unfortunately.
My dear, you are going to have to work on your schedule once you become a wife. More importantly, a mother. Okay then, so when do you figure? Tomorrow?
Sure, tomorrow should just be fine.
Good. I'll pick you up tomorrow, or however that plays out. But no need to drive separately.
That's fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
There is a beautiful touch when a priest in a nice robe is blessing your wedding. A court official marrying you off is so straightforward. It's like you're signing a business deal or something.
I'm just trying to create balance between my parents. I'm not going to have to choose between pastors and imams.
Why will your parents make such a mistake? People of different religious beliefs should not marry. Now look at you. Oh.
Okay, I get your point. Let's move on now.
Aha. So where do you belong? Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
None of the above.
What's this world coming to? A child with no faith?
I did go to church as a girl, but I'm an adult now.
So?
I choose my own belief systems. It's certainly not because my parents decide to identify themselves with religious groups. No, it's not me.
Please, this is supposed to be a wedding planning section. Mother, don't drag her into this discussion. Please, I beg you.
Hey, Winifred, I thought you were out.
No, I was in my room.
Then join us. You don't have to be in your room all day like that.
So, what were you discussing? I could hear you guys talking from the room.
Weddings.
I would love to make an input. Anyway, are you done discussing dresses?
No, why?
Because I love wedding dresses. Like, you should go for a low cut ball gown.
A low cut? What's this generation coming to? Listen, the real seduction begins after the real show. As a decent woman, you should cover yourself properly outside your home, especially on the day when there'll be hundreds of people to witness the kind of woman or wife you're going to be.
So all this is based on a dress a girl wears on that day?
Of course. Hey, listen, you can tell a lot about a person in just a matter of seconds. The real show starts after the wedding, when everybody has left. And then it will just be between you, your husband, and the bed. And then you get some sweet scented Saturday night powder. Oh. And your singing waist beats. Nothing beats it. People think you know everything. Make an appointment with me, and I'll show you all the tricks in the world.
We certainly will, Mommy. We certainly will. Oh my God, I can't wait for second round.
Seriously, we are not having this meeting again here.
Why not? I love your mother-in-law.
Thank you.
Look at us. We would never get anything done at this rate. Come on, let's concentrate. So,
Okay, are you going to give me
Katrin,
that long cake? That's all I want. Write it down.
Boss,
Yeah,
boss,
yeah.
I beg you make you give me money make I top up fuel tomorrow and also watch car.
All right, you would have to come upstairs for that.
Okay, sir. Then what time will they go tomorrow morning?
Let me say dawn, like 5 a.m. there. But get ready at 4, okay? See you tomorrow.
I'm listening.
my family,
Mm-hmm.
my mother and father are dead.
When was this?
I was a small girl, like 10 years old. They were attacked by armed robbers. My mother and father were into agric business, so they used to take big trucks to the big city to sell. On their way coming back to the village, they were attacked and killed by armed robbers, together with some people.
Okay.
My grandmother and grandfather took me in. But my grandfather became sick. And he was sick for so many years. I don't know what was wrong with him, but he was sick for so many years.
Okay.
And Dada could not take him to the hospital again. And so I stopped school. Dada was always crying. And so I started going to the riverside to sell fish to support her. But it wasn't enough. And then one day, there was a man in our compound. He was talking to my grandparents. They talked for a very long time. That man is very rich in our village. He owns cars at the station and I hear he has other businesses as well. He started visiting us more. And then Dada called me one day and told me that I would start school again. I was happy. I knew he was the one helping us, and I thanked God for him. My grandfather started going to the hospital again. He had his operation. He became strong. He came back home and everything was fine. And then he called me and told me the truth. He told me that Gaduga wanted to marry me.
The rich man?
Yes.
How old were you then?
I was in primary.
So you're too young.
You don't understand. He was taking care of me and my family and waiting for me to finish school so that he marries me. I wasn't happy, but it was too late. Every day I told Dada that I won't marry that man. But she said I don't have any choice. And then I completed GSS. And then my grandfather collapsed one day and died. But Efo still continued to take care of me. He wanted to get married to me at that time, but Dada told him I was still too young. Then I finished senior secondary school.
Well done.
I continued with my fish business, but it was giving me very little money. I couldn't go back to school with that.
You still want to go to school?
Yes. There is nothing in that village. You complete GSS and you start having children. Then why do we go to school? I know I can do something different.
Like what?
I don't know. But when I go to school, I'll find out.
So where's your grandmother? Why are you not married? And why are you living in that building?
My grandmother is back home.
Where home is?
Chindere. I ran away.
Why?
Efo came to my house with his family members. He wants to marry me. My grandfather made a deal with him and he spent his money on me. Now he wants his property.
Sir, just a second. Yeah, sorry, sir.
Okay, we're not traveling to Accra tomorrow. We're going to Karachi. So dialogue with Olu to find out if he knows of any best routes if he doesn't know already.
Sorry, sir, but what's wrong?
We're taking Ceci home.
Why, sir? Why?
Because I said so, Patrick.
Hey, handsome. Are you in?
No, I'm still here.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, it's just that there's more work than I thought. I need to take care of some few issues. So most likely I should be home tomorrow evening.
Well then, just
Take good care of yourself, okay? And hey, guess what?
What?
Your mom and I are going location scouting tomorrow.
Oh, good luck to you then.
Thank you. I will need that.
Are you okay?
Sure, now that I've heard from you.
Okay. Have a good night then.
You too. Love you.
Me too.
No, I can't go. I won't go.
It's going to be fine. You have nothing to fear.
No, you don't understand. I am not ready to marry that man.
You won't have to. I promise. You just can't continue living like this.
But I promised my grandmother that I would not return the same. Look at me. I lost everything. The money she gave me. I am worse than I left. She can't see me like this.
Listen to me. I need you to trust me. Go to bed now. We leave very early in the morning.
Is a man's life to feel right, so think twice and be wise. Is a man's life.
We have to pass by my house.
So think twice and be wise. You can only find your way out. You can only find your way out. Is a man's life to feel right, so think twice and be wise. Is a man's life to feel right, so think twice and be wise. Na, da, 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 da.
What are you doing?
This.
Is this your bank?
Some people came to steal my things here, so since then, this is why I save.
You're smart.
I know.
Okay, let's go.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy.